Hello, this is Kelz0r.dk. I have a little treat for you today. I just received a Registeel, and I think there might be a Salamence behind. Yeah, look at this one, Salamence holographic. Just a regular Registeel, but it's pretty awesome. Then I will be opening a Call of Legends booster pack, and 2 EX Legend. Hidden Legends. Also, I just received a Gold Plated Poliwhirl, which I think is quite amazing. Looks quite nice. There's some description about the Pokemon. It's a really nice plat card, gold. Okay, let's start off with the Call of Legends. Last time I opened I was damn lucky, so let's see if I can continue that way. There's first a Mareep, Snubble, Teddiursa, Phanpy, Eevee, Flareon. Oh, nice to get Eevee and then Flareon. Professor Elm's Training Method supporter. Cheerleader's Cheer supporter. Oh, nice, a Slowking reverse, which is a rare. It's very nice. And a Meganium rare. Ah, 2 rares, always nice. Great start. Okay, then this EX Hidden Legends with the Registeel on the front page. Let's see what we will get. Let's start off with the Rhyhorn. Let's see, it's 2 and 2. So Rhyhorn, Staryu, Ludo, Chikorita, Surskit, Metang, Dodrio, both the Doduo and the Dodrio, that's very nice. And Odyssey reverse, and a Heracross Holo. Oh, that's awesome. Nice. Heracross Holo. Great. Okay, another EX Hidden Legends. Very great to get a Holo. Let's see what we can get from this one. 2 and 2. Okay, we have a Tentacool, Clamperl, Rhyhorn, Veldum, Togepi, Desert Ruin Stadium, Iceland Cave Stadium, 2 stadium cards. Oh, awesome! A Crobat reverse. That must be a rare. Yes, it's a rare. Very awesome. And a Dark Celebi. Awesome card. Dark Celebi Holo. Huh? Look at this one. Dark Celebi holographic. Dark providing leaf poison. That's an awesome card. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. 2 great cards here. Another grass holo here. Also the Odyssey was reversed. So far great picks today, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.